Hi guys, today we have another base unboxing video, and I was just looking at the keyboard this time around. Now, this is a keyboard I've seen on YouTube, and I thought it'd be nice just to share it with the wider audience and give you guys my own opinion and what I think about the keyboard. Now, going through the packaging, you got the standard packaging, you've got obviously the quick start guide, the manuals, the keyboard itself, which I'm struggling to take out, and you also got some accessories like cables. You got tools to take the keycaps off, some extra buttons, which is actually quite nice, and that's about it. Now, the story behind this is that I've always been a bit narrow-minded, and I've always looked at really proper brands out there, you know, like Keychron, Logitech, a bit more familiar or known to people brands, and I've kind of thought this is the benchmark, so these are the keyboards that I should be really looking at to buying. But then I've tried this keyboard, and you know, for the money it is, so it's about, I think I paid £79 for it. Again, this is a non-sponsored video. I don't get paid for doing any of this, but I thought it would be nice just to share it with you guys. So, and I gave it a go, and it made me think. This keyboard really made me think about my choices in life, and in particular when it comes to purchasing gadgets and making reviews on them. Now, it made me realize that there's stuff out there beyond the branded names and big corporations, whereby they actually made pretty good stuff, and this is a very good example of it. So I initially skeptical, opened it, looked at it. So we'll take it now to the packaging. I'm doing the voiceover, by the way, so apologies if I'm going too far ahead of myself. Again, going through the packaging, taking the keyboard out, it feels substantial. It does feel hefty. It's all plastic, so there's nothing aluminium on it, but it feels really nice, like end finish. You got 2 steps for the legs, which is always welcome, you know, because some people might not even want it, you know, any kind of additional angle step in, but you've got options there, and the way you just flick it and clicks and just sounds really nice. You've got your dongle there if you want to use a dongle. It's always nice to have. You got a nice little slot for it, which even in Keychron you can't even see nowadays, which is, I think it's a bit bizarre. But also you got a Bluetooth option. If you lose your dongle, you can always use Bluetooth, but you know, if you got a dongle, I'll probably use a dongle anyway. And you also got the cable option if you need to, so a bit of typing here, so I'll keep quiet for a sec. Okay, so you really have a nice ring to it, like poppy ring, and the keys, when you press them, they feel quite light. So this is a volume toggle button, and you can change between different light options and key options, and I'm sure you can probably even bind the keys, you know, some additional key binding software. I haven't really looked to that extent, but just the sound and the amount of pressure you need to apply to type it in, it's just so nice. There's slightly little bit of flex, obviously, if you apply too much pressure, but with these type of keys, you wouldn't really need to apply any pressure whatsoever. So that's about it, guys. So generally speaking, again, this is a non-sponsored video, but I really like this keyboard. Really recommend it, and I think everyone should just give it a try and see if they like it. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoy this kind of content. I hope you do like my videos. They're quite basic angles, my basic opinions, and I really hope this kind of content is helpful to people. And if it is, all I'm gonna ask is if you can like, subscribe. I'm just aiming to get as many subscribers as I can, so I can at least get these kind of products given to me, so I can do reviews of them rather than buying them with my own money, because it's becoming a bit expensive down the line. But generally speaking, that's about it. So yeah, flicking the keys again, showing to my other camera, but yeah, that's about it, guys. thanks for watching again, and have a good day. I got to get ahead of myself here again. So yeah, legs. Have a good day, guys. Take care. Bye.